Hello everybody, welcome to Global Getaways, your go-to channel for all things travel. And let me tell you something, you can travel the world with just one carry-on bag. Yes, you heard that right, I'm serious. Forget the checked bags, forget the baggage claim, forget the extra fees. We're going to travel light and right. One bag travel, that's the ticket my friends, especially if you're on a budget. Less luggage means more freedom, more spontaneity, and more money in your pocket for adventures. So if you're ready to ditch the heavy suitcase and embrace the minimalist travel lifestyle, you've come to the right place. Imagine this, no more waiting at the baggage carousel, no more lost luggage, no more stress, just you, your carry-on, and the open road. It's all about efficiency and making the most of your travel experience. With just one bag, you can move quickly, adapt to new situations, and truly enjoy the journey. Whether you're staying in a hostel, a hotel, or even couch surfing, having less to carry makes everything easier. You can navigate crowded streets, hop on and off public transport, and explore new places without being weighed down. Spontaneity is the key to great travel experiences, and with just one bag, you're always ready for the next adventure. Plus, you'll meet other like-minded travelers who appreciate the freedom and simplicity of one-bag travel. So, how do you do it? How do you pack everything you need into one carry-on bag? It's all about smart packing techniques, choosing versatile clothing, and prioritizing essentials. Packing cubes are a game changer, helping you stay organized and maximize space. Opt for lightweight, multi-purpose items that can be used in different situations. And don't forget to pack your toiletries in small, travel-sized containers to save space. With a little planning and the right mindset, you'll be amazed at how much you can fit into one bag. So are you ready to join the one-bag travel revolution? Stick with me, and I'll show you how to travel light, travel smart, and make the most of every adventure. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the freedom of one-bag travel. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the stuff you bring, but the memories you make. So pack light, travel far, and let's make some unforgettable memories. See you on the road, my fellow travelers. Let's make every journey an adventure to remember. Alright, first things first, we gotta talk about the bag. This is your trusty sidekick, your partner in crime. You need a carry-on that's durable, lightweight, and meets airline size restrictions. Don't even think about trying to sneak a giant suitcase past the gate agent. Trust me, I've tried. Look for a bag with sturdy wheels, comfortable handles, and plenty of compartments for organization. And don't forget to consider the weight of the bag itself. You don't want to be that person struggling to lift their bag into the overhead bin. Now let's talk about what you're going to pack inside this bad boy. Packing for a trip can be a daunting task, but with a little planning and some smart choices, you can make it a breeze. The goal is to pack efficiently without sacrificing the essentials. So, let's dive into the art of packing light and smart. The key here is to pack versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. This means choosing pieces that can be worn in multiple ways and in different combinations. For example, a simple black dress can be dressed up with a scarf and jewelry for a night out, or dressed down with a denim jacket for a casual day of sightseeing. The more versatile your clothing, the fewer items you'll need to pack. Think neutral colors, basic tees, a couple pairs of pants or a skirt, and a light jacket. Neutral colors like black, white, gray, and beige are great because they can be easily mixed and matched with each other. Basic tees are a must-have because they can be layered under sweaters or jackets or worn on their own. A light jacket is essential for those cooler evenings or unexpected weather changes. And don't forget a pair of comfortable pants or a skirt that can be dressed up or down. And for the love of all that is good, roll your clothes, people. It saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Rolling your clothes is a game changer when it comes to packing. Not only does it save space, but it also helps to keep your clothes wrinkle-free. Start by laying your clothes flat, then fold them in half and roll them up tightly. This technique works especially well for t-shirts, pants, and even dresses. Plus, it makes it easier to see everything in your suitcase at a glance. Don't forget your travel-sized toiletries. Those little guys are your best friend when you're trying to pack light. Travel-sized toiletries are a lifesaver because they take up less space and are easier to carry. Look for travel-sized versions of your favorite shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and toothpaste. You can also find travel-sized containers that you can fill with your own products. Just make sure to pack them in a clear, resealable bag to comply with airport security regulations, and to keep everything organized, use packing cubes. They're like magic little compartments that make your bag a symphony of order. Packing cubes are a great way to keep your suitcase organized and make it easier to find what you need. Use different cubes for different types of clothing, such as one for tops, one for bottoms, and one for underwear and socks. You can also use packing cubes to separate clean clothes from dirty ones, or to keep your shoes separate from your clothes. With packing cubes, you'll never have to dig through your suitcase to find what you're looking for. Another tip is to make a packing list before you start. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you don't forget anything important. Write down everything you need to pack, from clothing and toiletries to electronics and travel documents. As you pack each item, check it off your list. This will give you peace of mind and help you avoid last-minute packing stress. With these tips in mind, you'll be able to pack efficiently and enjoy a stress-free trip. Happy travels! Space maximization. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Maximizing space in your carry-on is like playing a game of Tetris. You gotta be strategic. Pack your heaviest items at the bottom of the bag, like shoes and toiletries. Use every nook and cranny. Stuff socks and underwear inside your shoes to save space. And don't be afraid to layer your clothes when you're packing. It's like creating a wearable puzzle. Multi-purpose items. Do more with less. Alright, let's talk about multi-purpose items. These are your secret weapons for packing light. A sarong, for example, can be a beach blanket, a scarf, a skirt, you name it. A quick drying towel can double as a gym towel or even a picnic blanket. And a small, empty water bottle can be refilled after you go through security, saving you money and reducing plastic waste. Pack light, travel far. Packing light is all about making conscious decisions about what you really need. Do you really need 5 pairs of shoes for a weekend trip? Probably not. Choose items that you love to wear and that make you feel good. And remember, you can always buy things you need at your destination. Don't let fear of overpacking hold you back. Packing light is liberating. It gives you the freedom to move around easily, explore new places without feeling weighed down, and fully embrace the adventure. Adventure awaits. As we come to the end of this journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the beauty and excitement that travel brings into our lives. So there you have it, my friends. We've explored the ins and outs of traveling the world with just a carry-on bag. It's not just about the convenience, it's about the freedom it offers. Imagine the ease of moving through airports, the simplicity of having everything you need in one small bag, and the joy of being unburdened by heavy luggage. The ultimate guide to traveling the world with just a carry-on bag. This guide is designed to help you streamline your packing process, ensuring you have all the essentials without the excess. From choosing the right bag to selecting versatile clothing, every tip is aimed at making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, packing light is all about simplifying your life and focusing on the experiences that truly matter. It's about prioritizing what you truly need and letting go of the rest. This minimalist approach not only makes travel easier, but also allows you to be more present and engaged in your adventures. It's about embracing spontaneity, saying yes to new adventures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. When you're not weighed down by heavy luggage, you're free to explore more, do more, and experience more. Whether it's a last-minute decision to take a detour to a hidden gem, or an impromptu hike up a scenic trail, the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed these tips, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel hacks. Your support helps me continue to create content that inspires and informs fellow travelers. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new videos, travel tips, and destination guides, and be sure to share your own packing tips in the comments below. Your insights and experiences can help others in the travel community. Whether it's a unique packing strategy or a must-have travel item, your contributions are valuable and appreciated. Until next time, keep exploring. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So pack your bags, embrace the journey, and let the adventures unfold. Remember, the best stories are found between the pages of a passport. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.